Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button with settings. So when we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have scan QR codes option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on, because when you have this you can scan QR codes by putting them inside the photo mode with the rear camera. So this is really easy and you don't need any other app to do it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.